Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, back with yet another hair video. This one's a little different. I will be reviewing two kinky curly ponytails, 24-inch, by a company called Modern Show Hair. They also sent me a clip-in bang that is Remy hair, so I'm just showing you guys how everything looks out of the packaging. I love the fact that the package was purple. You guys know my favorite colors are pink and purple. And now let's get down to the wig. Not wig, oh my goodness, the ponytails. They sent me a clip-in ponytail, which basically you can just wrap around your hair. It has Velcro. Just be careful when applying the Velcro so you don't snag it on your actual hair. So make sure your hair is tucked away or braided. And then the thing about these, they told me that you do not need to use any glue. You literally just wrap it around using the Velcro or a bobby pin, optional, and it will stay secure. So I'm just telling you guys what they're letting me know straight up, and then we will put this hair to the test. So in this packaging, they sent a beauty blender with some eyelashes as well and a headscarf. So now I'm just going to get into the install. So you guys know I'm natural and I cut my hair a couple of months back. So I'm just showing you guys how the bang looks. They wanted me to do a swoop ponytail, but to be completely honest, the hair was just not long enough for my comfort level. So what I opted to do was just two cute like 90s type of hairstyles. So what I'm going to do is just part a little piece of hair at the top where I'm going to have the clip in underneath and just blend my hair on top. And then I'm going to put in two ponytails. So right here is where I plan on putting the clip-ins. So I'm just sizing it out. And as you can see, the one that they showed me on the website, it came like to the shoulder, but this one came like to my chin. So I'm not sure if they just didn't send me like the correct length or what was going on with that. You could create a swoop ponytail. It just needs to be a little bit longer. So I'm just going to work with what I have. So yeah, I'm just twisting my hair up right here. Just want to make sure that if you are going to put heat in your hair, you're using plenty of heat protectant. And because they sent me kinky curly hair texture, I am going in with the Ampro Pro Style, and I'm just going to apply this to both sides of my hair, just sectioning one at a time. And all I did was look in the mirror, which is in front of me in my salon suite, and put my comb to my hair front to back to get a middle part. So I'm just going to show you guys one side. I'm going to slick this down through each of my ponytails, and then once I'm done, I'm going to braid the back. And I'm going to spin around. You are going to see me looking in the mirror just to make sure that my part is not crooked, because we do not want that. And I'm just going to do this quick and simple, easy ponytail install. The first thing I'm going to do is just the bang kind of coming down with like a curl type of situation, and then two ponytails. And then I'm just going to show you guys how I did it with the swoop, attempting. I just had to spray it down and basically mold it with some hairpins just to make sure that it would lay flat. But the only thing with the length, I just wanted to make sure that it was super secure. So I sprayed it with a whole bunch of holding spray, so that way when the wind blows, it will not look crazy. So I'm just going in here now with a brush that I got from my local hair store. Probably not the best brush, but just what I've been using when I do this hairstyle. Okay, I know better, but you guys know I cut my hair all the time, so whatever. So I'm just showing you guys one side, and I'm just going to do the same thing to the exact the opposite side. So they did give me a discount code so you guys can save some money. So I will drop that down below. It is something with my name in it. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I believe it's like MS Hair Cassandra or whatever. But whatever the discount code is, just be sure to look at it down below in the description box. I will be sure to drop that down below as far as all the information if you guys want to try something like this. So now my hair is in these two Pippi Longstocking braids. I'm just going in and attaching the comb to my hair, and then I'm just starting to wrap this around. I don't really use ponytails like this, so I felt like it was kind of loose. So you're just going to see me unravel it and then start over. I just wanted to make sure that basically the base was secure, so that way my hair does not slide. So I'm just going in the first section, putting those combs into my hair, making sure it's nice and secure. And then I'm going to use the Velcro, and basically as you wrap it around, the Velcro adheres to that curly piece that they made, and that's what secures it. Just for a little bit extra security, I did add two bobby pins in an X shape for both ponytails. And then I'm just going to show you how I worked the front. So just enjoy this install. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to show you how it looks on the other side, and then show you how this looks. And then I'm going to go straight into my next hairstyle. And again, if you have not already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and you're following me on here and Instagram. My Instagram is _Cassandra Olivia, and I will have my links and my email dropped down below. I don't know why my voice just started going out, but that probably means I need to be quiet. So I'm going to let this play out just for a second, and I'll be back. So here I am just adding the clip into my hair, and I did use some heat protectant that was off camera, or I just cut that scene out. I'm just going in with my custom flat irons and pressing my hair out. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit more heat protectant in and just style this. Again, this hair was just like 2 to 3 inches shorter than what they sent me. So I just finessed for this particular style, but I am going to go in and show you how it looks with one singular ponytail. So this is style 1. It was giving 90s vibes. You know, I'm a 90s baby, so this is how it looked. And even though I have a peanut head, I love my hair curly and nice and big. So this is style number 1. And then all I'm going to do after I'm finished my client, so I did this in between a work day, guys, I'm going to just put the 2 ponytails into one. Same exact technique, just putting some Pro gel, putting it inside of one ponytail, braiding that down, and then wrapping it around. So that's what you see in the back. And because I did use my steamer and I sweated my hair out, I'm just going in now with my hot comb. I'm pressing out my hair, and then I'm just going to spray this with some hairspray and then mold it with some pins, okay? So that way I can make sure I get my swoop, and then it'll dry in the shape that I want it to, and it will reach the back. It just wasn't long enough to wrap around to make it secure enough. So this is like a hair hack that I did just to kind of give you guys a visual how it would look if it was a little bit longer, but no worries. We're hairstylists. We finesse all the time. So this is pretty much it. I'm just going to let this play out. Again, I will drop modern show hair information down below. And thank you guys for listening to my rants. I will see you guys in my next video. And I hope everybody has a wonderful and productive week coming up. And yeah, that's it. Link down below. Everything I use is always in my Amazon store. And make sure that if you have not already, you follow me on Instagram. All right, bye.